Oh shit. Oh god, these hunters. I'm gonna have to get someone else to do the dirty work for me in this case. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Huh. 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 I don't even know how to fight you. All I know is that I'm scared. That's all I know for sure in this world anymore. Oh, they just killed the brutes. That means they're coming after me now. Oh! Only the strongest will survive. Lead me to heaven when we die. I have a shadow on the wall. I'll be the one to save us all. Oh shit, dude, he's glitching out, but that was crazy. You saw that, right? He whipped his sword out and just fucking... He just eviscerated me with it. He exterminated me. He made sure me and my children were never going to ever fucking set foot in the universe again. Eh. Unless I may.
I might consider sitting this one out.
Duh. It's just Hunter-Palooza. Hunter Fest 2016. Ah! I can see them anyway. We gotta move, steady the helm. Floated I will fly. It's time to roll. Blow me away. I will stay unless I may. After the call, we'll shake it off. Show me the way. Only the strongest will survive. Lead me to heaven when we die. I have a shadow on the wall. I'll be the one to save us all. Ah, shit. They're still on my case back there. Fight me! Fight me! Fight me! Oh!
This way, Chief.
Fight me, you bitch. That's how it's done. We're done with it. Now it's only time for the Halo 3 levels, and we're good.
I am getting confirmed reports of flood leaving in Amberclad's wreckage. Let's get the index and find a way out of here before
Uh-oh. Bum, bum. Dun, dun, dun. Uh-oh.
Let him be.
That's alright, that's fucked up. I mean, as fucked up as the prophets are, I mean, you know, political and religious, like, corruption and all that shit, you know. But that's fucked up. That's about as evil as it gets right there. What just happened there? That's just, like, the biggest fucking betrayal. Alright, I've only got the, Halo ones left. Oh, High Charity? I'm doing High Charity? Alright. I'm happy with that. There go those fools. Your pal, where is he going?
Your pal. Where's he going?
Earth! To finish what we started. And this time, none of you will be left behind. Oh!
that structure in the center of the city, it's a Forerunner ship. And Truth is heading straight for it. If
What?
he leads the Covenant fleet to Earth, they won't stand a chance. You have to stop him.
That
I
brute
guess
has
we
the
do.
And Miranda
Yes,
and
I do.
Johnson. He can activate the ring.
If he does, I'll detonate in Amberclad's reactor just like we did the Autumns. The
That'd
blast
be
will
fucked
destroy
up.
this city and the ring.
But it is what it is.
Original plan, but we know it'll work. No, I don't want to chance a remote detonation. I need to stay here.
Alright, hell yeah. Nah, the Flood can't really be fought, though. They can't really be fought hand to hand. Simply because they just don't listen to reason in the same way. But I can try. I can try to sword them.
That creature beneath the library, that great mind, used us. We were just a diversion. In Amberclad was always
Metal
an intended
Completionist.
vector.
Like
There's a
10,000
conduit
campaign.
connecting to
Or
the tower to
playlist.
the ship. Head back inside. I'll lead you to it.
Probably be saving this for the Flood, but it's just too fun to not use. The Halo 2 sword. Ah, shit. Well, if I knew Flood were gonna come in to fight him, I would've just brought them in first.
Conduit connecting this tower to the ship. Head back inside. I'll lead you to it.
Oh, they're fighting now. Damn. I was gonna try and put one of them in the lift.
Connecting this tower to the ship. Head back inside. I'll lead you to it.
Get away from me! Get away from me!
I'll disable this lift once you reach the top. That'll slow them down. I hope.
Oh yeah.
Shall we let the flood consume our holy city?
Yeah.
Charity into another of their wretched hive. No enemy has ever withstood our might. The flood too shall fail.
I'll do what I can to slow the launch sequence. Something inside the ship, a presence, fighting back. For a Covenant construct, it's unusually formidable.
That's because it's not a Covenant construct, Cortana. Ah! They flung me off, dude. They threw me off. They picked me up and just tossed me right off the side.
Shall we let the
Like a
flood
fucking
consume our holy city?
wet sock.
Charity into another of their wretched hive.
Like a fucking slimy dog.
No enemy.
They just tossed me out to the trash.
The flood too shall fail.
I'll do what I can to slow the launch.
God damn it.
Something inside the ship, a presence, fighting back. For a Covenant construct, it's unusually formidable.
It's just stock. It's just straight up stock. There's nothing I can do. I had to take the -25.
Shall we let the flood consume our holy city? Turn my charity into another of their wretched hive. No enemy has ever withstood our might. Flood too shall fail.
I'll do what I can to slow the launch sequence. There's something inside the ship, a presence, fighting back. For a Covenant construct,
Yeah, drones get weird when they have this big room to just like be free in. I feel like the drones are just straight up slaves. I'll let them fight. I am the Pharaoh. I have been and always will be Pharaoh. The once and future Pharaoh. Ah, I got fucked. He put his whole forearm up my ass. I'm getting excited with the warm weather. What do you think, chat? What do you think about the weather? Here, I'll pick this up for legacy. For legacy charges. I was trying to pick up the shotgun, but I couldn't find it again. Ah, shit. Yeah, the weather is amazing.